मैडम कह रही तुमने भेजा था, पता नहीं। यार मुझे इसका भी भेजा ये। Yes, student of 9th class, now open your book, Beehive, second chapter, The Sound of Music. We know well that music gives us pleasure. It brings us out from the bad mood, or it removes our upsetness. In this chapter, Evelyn Glini is a small girl. While she was nearly 8 years old, she comes to know that she has loses her hearing power, but she was keenly interested in music. Rush, our crowds jostle for position on the underground train platform. While she was a very small, slight girl, looking younger than her 17 years, was nervous yet excited as vibration of the approaching Academy of Music in London. On account of her, she had keenly interested in music, and from the early life, she has started to play with different type of playing instrument. Now she was going to seek admission in Academy of Music in London. While she was on the railway platform at Scotland, she was very inspiring, she was very fascinated to go to that place. She had loss of hearing, but she never lose her heart. She always was keen interested that she could achieve a high place in the field of music. With the help of her parents, she goes London, where she, with the help of a teacher named Forbes, gets admission and learns how to play different type of musical instrument. Though she had already lost her hearing power, she used to listen with the organs of her body, and with the help of that, she was able to play nearly 1000 playing instruments. अपने अध्यापक फोर्ब्स की सहायता से और अपने दृढ़ संकल्प की मदद से लगभग उसने अपने जीवन काल में 1000 से अधिक वाद्य यंत्रों को बजाना सीखा. एंड शी गॉट वेरी रिस्पेक्टेबल प्लेस इन हर लाइफ, एंड शी आल्सो वन मैनी अवार्ड्स एंड वाज respected on many of the platforms on account of her tiresome effort. So this tiresome effort of this girl, Glini Evinel, inspires us or every student that in spite of so many shortcomings in our body are many things which throw back us in our life, but if we have firm determination in our mind and resolution, no doubt success will always knock at your door, as it has happened with this girl, and she occupied very respectable place in the world of music. Learn this chapter, and questions had already been sent. Second part of this chapter is the Shehnai of Bismillah Khan. Students, perhaps you would have listened Shehnai Wadan of Bismillah Khan, who belongs to a Banaras family, and he learned how to play Shehnai well from his forefathers, other family members, and occupied a very respectable place in the world. Who had access of the royal palace. While India got freedom, he was invited and he played Shehnai on that occasion in presence of Jawaharlal Nehru and President Rajendra Prasad. Bismillah Khan also faced many troubles in his life, but he is always memorable to us for his performances. He did his performance not in India, but also abroad. He did trips Afghanistan, where the King Zahir Sahib also gave due respect to him on account of his Shehnai Wadan. And he was awarded, many times he was awarded for his achievements. He also got Padam Vibhushan and Padma Shri by our President. In spite of having traveled all over the world, Khan Sahib, as he fondly asked, inextinguishably fond of Banaras and Dumrao. There is a story about him. Once one of his students who was living in America, he requested him to come America and live there, started to live there. But he asked a question to his student, I would come there, but would you bring Ganga there? If you bring Ganga there in America, then I would come to USA. So there was no answer to that student. It shows that he has a great respect to our heritage, Indian culture and civilization. I think only Banaras and Holy Ganga are the source of him, which gives him inspiration. He also says the things which he used to in his life, and he said that I would miss the unique mattha of Dumrao. While he used to live in Dumrao, a mattha, that is a drink, एक पेय होता है मट्ठा जिसको वो डुमराव में मिलता था, वो वहाँ नहीं मिलेगा. इन सब चीज़ों की वजह से that's the reason he didn't go abroad at the request of his student. So this chapter also inspires us that without any difference of caste, creed and religion, Ustad Bismillah Khan is still alive in the heart of most of Indians on account of his sweetness of his Shehnai. Thank you. Have a nice day.